We're LifeSpan Workplace. We make products that make you feel good at the office. We help put some relief and movement back into your workday. You can stand for that boost of energy, stretch when you're feeling stiff, and with LifeSpan, you can walk with your own treadmill desk that will get your legs moving and your blood flowing.
Now I feel great at the office.
I have so much more energy at work.
I feel good at the office.
I feel good at work.
Whether you work at a small business or a corporate powerhouse, let LifeSpan help you feel better at work. Click below to discover LifeSpan workplace products that are just right for you and to connect with a LifeSpan professional for a no-obligation consultation to design your own individual or group system. With affordable prices and free shipping, you can be feeling better at work soon. Get moving, keep moving. Let LifeSpan Workplace help you feel good at the office.